Welcome. If you want to keep your conversations private or just prefer not to use voice features while playing Roblox, disabling microphone access is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off microphone permissions for Roblox on your phone. This is quick, easy, and only takes a minute. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the important features and permissions for your device. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for the Roblox app in the list. You can scroll or use the search function at the top to find it faster. Once you see Roblox, tap on it to open the app's info page. On this page, you'll see different options like storage, data usage, and permissions. Tap on Permissions. This is where you control what Roblox can access on your device, such as your camera, contacts, and microphone. Find the microphone option in the permissions list. Tap on it, and you'll see choices for allowing or denying access. Select Don't Allow or Deny to block Roblox from using your microphone. That's it. You've just disabled microphone access for Roblox. From now on, the game won't be able to listen in or use your microphone unless you come back and change the setting. This is a great way to boost your privacy and make sure your audio stays secure while you play. If you ever want to turn microphone access back on, just repeat these steps and select Allow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming experience with peace of mind.